MOBI Fitness Exercise Bike is amazing design with intelligent one-touch control knob. Let's talk about this bike's main features. High elastic cushion and multi-function armrest is accurately fit for your sport movements like warm-up, seated climbing and fat burning. This stationary bike is equipped with a multifunctional smart control knob. Multifunctional armrest, comfortable high elastic cushion seat, 12 kilograms flywheel with aluminum clad outer that experience the charm of outdoor cycling at home. Magnetic resistance avoids the harsh noise from the brake pads rubbing against the flywheel. The multi-position handlebar with 17-level height adjustable make users of different height to find a comfortable riding position. Tapping the knob will connect your cycling bike to your smartphone or tablet in seconds. You can feel immersive cycling experience with free app. You can enjoy the guidance of professional fitness instructors at home with thousands of free recorded classes. Train with coaches who will lead you step by step to achieve your goals. This exercise bike offers competitions with your friends and feels the glamour of extreme riding, which allow you to burn calories while having the dual fun of exercise and interactive games. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and comments, and if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe and also hit bell notification icon.